What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, you know what? I am really excited about my 360 camera that I'm giving to you guys. That way you guys get a whole 360 view of my car, what I'm doing inside. You know what? Last video I told you guys I was doing the interior, putting everything together, getting my power windows up and running. And today I went ahead and installed them. I didn't give you guys a detail on them because I don't have a full editing software program to download the stuff on. So this is going to be one shot, one take, and I don't really want to bore you with installing this stuff. So I'm going to give you guys just a real quick run through. I am going to put a description, a link in the description below of the unit of the power windows, and I did get them from Classic Industries. And you know what? These things went in like a champ, like they belonged. The rears, as you say, it's just 4 bolts. If you've already got the windows in, obviously I didn't. Hold the windows up. Take out your regulator, bolt them in, and you're done. It's pretty simple. You can do it in a day. You know, that's no problem. I went ahead, as far as I told you guys, I went ahead and did some vapor barrier. This is one of the sheets that I'm going to use, and just kind of put it up there, and it sticks right up there. This is the putty tape that I'm using. I did get it from Ace Hardware. You can check that out in the last video. One thing that I do want to stress to you guys, if you got little shards like this here, watch out and make sure you don't get them on the bottom of your shoes, or definitely not in your carpet, because this stuff is like gum. I had some in the carpet and I leaned on it and it got hot and I didn't think anything about it. Went to clean it off. I paid hell trying to get this up, so watch out your little shards. This stuff works great, and like I said, you know, it's on there. Once it really gets hot in here and it really wants to stick, it's really not going to go anywhere. So the only other thing that I got to do is put my door conduit, my door jamb conduit thing here, and that's going to go here, and it's going to be probably tomorrow I'm going to put that in. So I'll probably do a little video on that one as well. Power windows, got all power windows in except for this one here. I don't have the passenger hooked up because my leads are so small, but this is what I got. This is what I was waiting on right here. So I got power right now. Everything is wired up, and so I've got power to all 3. Let me find my ground. Let me touch my ground here. So we'll go ahead and do the passenger window. It is kind of slow because my battery is kind of dead, and I've been playing with this thing all day. So it's kind of really neat. So there you go. Oh, she's so slow going up. Quarter. Go ahead and do the driver rear. There you go. Now I know my tent looks like shit right now because when I was putting that in, man, I just scratched the hell out of it. And oh, you can do it. There you go. Now I got grease on it, but my battery's going down. So, but it is a lot quicker. And I scratched the shit out of my tent here, getting it in, and especially that one over there. And I boogered it up some spots, which I should not have done. The guy told me, you know, go ahead and get it in first. I was like, no, I'll be careful. Well, you know, I got in a rush. So, but anyway, they're in there. I'll get them done. That's no big deal. He told me he'd give me a break on a price. So, other than that, once I get this in, and I get the use the rest of this roll here. Now, one roll is going to do me all 4 doors. And I couldn't believe it. So once I get this in, I'll get the door panel in, I'll get my seat put in, and my rear seat, if you can see from a previous video, I had ASM. Is it ASM or ASN? ASM. I think it's ASM. These are the same outfits that does Gas Monkey Garage. She did a wonderful job. So when come time, they're going to do my headliner, and then I'll get my front glass in and align my front fenders and get it aligned. And man, that's it. I'm ready to rock and roll. So let me go ahead and show you around now that I got some light. Oh, and get that inside. There we go. Now I got to adjust that door, but there you go. I know I got to adjust the front fender. I know that. That's the only other thing that I got to do. But just walking around the car, I mean, it just looks sharp. I did get the rear bumpers in. I got the license plate put on. And man, it came around. And I'm kind of saddened. I got a little scuff mark. My fender moved back on me. I should have known better. But I got some touch-up paint, and that's going to take care of that. And front bumper's on, half-ass. I'll tell you what, I got new bumper, new brackets, and new everything, and it just totally fit like crap. So I got to do some more finessing on that. I do got a little rag right down there to keep that off of that right there. So that's going to be another day. I do got to take this out here, my bucket, and grind that down so I can put my other halo in. So that's it. And this is going to be the cherry on the topping right here. That's going to go up front. I wish that was red and silver, but got that on eBay. But that's it right there. That is it right there. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and duck on out of here and let you guys get to it. Let me prop my little tripod up here. There you go. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and duck on out of here and get this video uploaded for you guys. And you know what, just keep watching, keep sticking around, and you know, sub if you can. That'd be great. I'm trying to reach 1,000. That's when a little bit more perks come in for me, and do a little bit more for you guys. So I'm getting close. I'm 6 and some change. You know, every day I'm getting a sub. So really appreciate it. Give me a like, throw me a comment. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think. If you got any comments, I'll try to answer them. If you got any questions, I damn sure I'll answer them for you. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here and let you guys get on your way. So as always, drive safe, be safe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.